In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Tag Manager into your website using Hostinger's Website Builder. Knowing how to do this can significantly enhance your ability to track and manage your website's tags more efficiently. With that said, let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you get everything set up correctly. To begin, the first thing you need is your Google Tag Manager container ID. This ID is crucial as it helps connect your website to your Google Tag Manager account. You'll want to log in to your Google Tag Manager account to retrieve this. Once you're in your workspace, you should see your container ID at the top, and it'll look something like GTM followed by a series of letters and numbers. Make a note of this ID as it is what you will need to connect everything together smoothly. Now, once you have your container ID safely noted down, we'll move on to the next phase, which is integrating it through your website builder. Hostinger's Website Builder comes with a built-in integration feature that simplifies the entire process. First, access the H panel and navigate to the Websites section. There, you'll see an option labeled Edit Website. Click on this to launch the Builder interface. Within the Builder, you should notice an ellipsis icon, which looks like 3 horizontal dots, located in the left sidebar. Clicking this icon will open up additional options. What you want to select here is Website Settings, which will then present you with various configuration options. In this section, keep an eye out for the Integrations tab. This is where you'll input your Google Tag Manager information. Under the Integrations tab, you'll find a field specifically designated for Google Tag Manager. It's here that you should paste the container ID you collected earlier. Simply paste it in, then save your changes to ensure everything is stored correctly. Once you've entered your container ID and saved these settings, the final step is critical. You'll want to click the Update or Publish button. This action is crucial as it applies the changes you've made, inserting the necessary GTM snippets automatically into both the header and body sections of your site. This insertion happens across all pages of your website, ensuring full tracking capability without the need for manual insertion. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Google Tag Manager with your website using Hostinger's Website Builder. This integration supports better data management and tracking capabilities right at your fingertips. With that complete, you're now set to take full advantage of advanced analytics and insights from your website traffic. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments section